Despite apparently its colour and taste, celery juice is the latest in a series of miracle ingredients. This particular craze requires drinking a tall glass of fresh celery juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Thanks to the abundance of online claims about the benefits, people are dusting off their juicers in droves. Celery is just the latest example of this wellness wishful thinking, primarily inspired by the author and medical medium Anthony William. Celery juice promises pretty much every wellness benefit you could desire. William and his followers claim that celery juice reduces inflammation, improves gut health, expedites weight loss, and clears up acne, amongst many other things. But what actually happens if you drink celery juice for a month? Well, there are many accounts on the internet of people who have done just that, and if you research the findings, there is a common trait throughout the accounts. So let me show you what will likely to happen if you start this craze. In the first week, expect your bloating to reduce. Celery juice a day helps keep the bloating away, and it happens quite quickly. Celery is a natural diuretic and does a great job of flushing toxins and excess water out of the body. And since you're juicing the celery, you remove most of the fibre, which makes it easier to digest. Also expect in week 1 a laxative effect. People report bowel movements become regular, but even science says this too. The natural laxative effect of celery has been known to help relieve constipation. After this, you should see a better skin complexion as well. Celery juice is one of the best detox drinks one could ask for. It is refreshing and alkalizing. When your body is free of toxins, it reflects on your skin. Minerals like potassium and magnesium maintain their electrolyte balance and the pH of your skin. Folate and vitamin A and C fight infections and inflammation. When combined with the necessary exercise and diet, it may also help in clearing up acne, blemishes, pimples, and other signs of aging on the skin. In week 2, you're probably going to see better gut health. Celery is rich in minerals and mineral salts, which help the absorption of nutrients, and over time these minerals and mineral salts help restore your stomach's hydrochloric acid, therefore strengthening your digestion. Celery also contains the same ulcer healing factors that are found in cabbage juice, so it's great for including in a gut healing protocol. Celery's high magnesium content also have an excellent effect on the nervous system, and its iron content will help oxygenate the blood cells. Celery juice can replenish and replace fluid and minerals lost due to sweating. People also report reduced cravings. There are many accounts of individuals stopping the Nutella on toast and the sugary cereals and opting for eggs and avocado on toast instead. This was great for the body as there are no sugar spikes, modified foods, or cravings for the carbs. Weeks 3 to 4 you're going to actually start enjoying the new morning regime. You will get used to the taste and texture of celery juice, and also over the long term some people have stated they feel more hydrated. When we examine its composition, we find celery is composed of 95% water. By blending or juicing celery, much of the water is released. As a result, celery juice may help rehydrate the body. And finally, there is no evidence to back this up, but users tend to sleep better after drinking celery juice, but this may be due to a better diet and celery working its detoxification magic. So if you want to join the celery craze, here is how to do it without the help of a juicer. Number 1. Chop the icky ends off the celery stalks and wash them thoroughly. Number 2. Put them in a blender or food processor and add half a cup of water. Number 3. Blend them until they form a frothy puree. Number 4. Drain the mixture into a nut milk bag over an empty bowl. Number 5. Squeeze all the liquid out of a nut milk bag until all you have left is the celery paste. Number 6. Chill the celery juice and add a swirly straw to make it even more enjoyable. I hope you've enjoyed this video on what happens if you drink celery juice for 1 month. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 20 powerful healing benefits of celery juice for hair, skin and health. Thanks for watching and bye for now.